Today, we are going to simplify one of the most important concepts in pharmaceutical calculations, normality. By the end of this video, you'll understand what normality means, how to calculate it, and where it is actually used in pharmacy labs. Welcome back to EduPharmacy. So, what is normality? Normality is defined as the number of gram equivalents of solute present in 1 liter of solution. The formula is normality equals the number of gram equivalents divided by the volume of solution in liters. Now, what is a gram equivalent? An equivalent is the amount of substance that can donate or accept 1 mole of hydrogen ions in an acid-base reaction, or that can lose or gain 1 mole of electrons in a redox reaction. This means that normality always depends on the type of reaction the substance is involved in. That's why it is different from molarity, which is always fixed. To calculate normality, we first need to determine the equivalent weight. The formula is equivalent weight equals molecular weight divided by the N factor. The N factor depends on the type of reaction. For acids, it is the number of replaceable hydrogen ions. For bases, it is the number of hydroxyl ions. For salts, it is the total ionic charge. And for redox reactions, it is the number of electrons lost or gained. So always remember, normality is reaction specific. Now, let's quickly compare molarity, normality, and equivalent weight in a simple way. Molarity is moles per liter and it is constant, no matter the reaction. Normality is equivalents per liter and it changes depending on the reaction. Equivalent weight is just molecular weight divided by the N factor. For example, 1 molar solution of sulfuric acid contains 98 grams per liter. But 1 normal solution of sulfuric acid contains 49 grams per liter. Because sulfuric acid has 2 replaceable hydrogen ions. So, molarity is fixed, but normality depends on the reaction. Now let's connect this with pharmacy practice. Here are some common solutions you'll come across in pharmaceutical labs. Hydrochloric acid. For 1 normal solution, we need 36.5 grams per liter. For 0.1 normal, we need 3.65 grams per liter. Sulfuric acid. 1 normal is 49 grams per liter. 0.1 normal is 4.9 grams per liter. Sodium hydroxide. 1 normal requires 40 grams per liter. 0.1 normal requires 4 grams per liter. Oxalic acid, which is often used as a primary standard. 0.1 normal solution is prepared by dissolving 6.3 grams in 1 liter. And sodium thiosulfate, commonly used in iodometric titrations. 0.1 normal solution is prepared by dissolving 24.8 grams in 1 liter. These examples show how normality is directly applied when preparing solutions for titrations and assays. Let's now solve some problems step by step. Example 1. Calculate the normality of 49 grams of sulfuric acid in 1 liter solution. The molecular weight of sulfuric acid is 98. It has 2 replaceable hydrogens, so the equivalent weight is 98 divided by 2, which equals 49. Gram equivalents equal 49 divided by 49, which is 1. Now, normality equals gram equivalents divided by volume, that is 1 divided by 1, which equals 1 normal solution. Example 2. Calculate the normality of 40 grams of sodium hydroxide in 500 milliliters of solution. The molecular weight of sodium hydroxide is 40. Its N factor is 1, so the equivalent weight is 40. Gram equivalents equal 40 divided by 40, which is 1. The volume is 500 milliliters or 0.5 liters. Normality equals 1 divided by 0.5, which equals 2 normal. So, this is a 2 normal sodium hydroxide solution. Example 3. How do we prepare 0.1 normal sodium thiosulfate solution? The molecular weight of sodium thiosulfate pentahydrate is 248. In its redox reaction, the N factor is 1, so the equivalent weight is 248. For one normal solution, we need 248 grams per liter. For 0.1 normal solution, we multiply by 0.1, which gives 24.8 grams per liter. So, to prepare 0.1 normal sodium thiosulfate, dissolve 24.8 grams of the salt in 1 liter of solution. And that's normality made easy. To summarize, Step 1. Find the equivalent weight. Step 2. Calculate gram equivalents. Step 3. Apply the formula. Normality is widely used in pharmacy for preparing standard acids, bases, and redox solutions. If you have any doubts, drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to guide you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. If this video helped you, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to EduPharmacy for more Pharma Math made easy tutorials.